attractive place to be going long. I like a possible buy in crude oil. All right, this is off of this sniper extreme signal right here. Waiting for the action line to start sloping up. The NASDAQ's trying to break out to the upside here. Let's see if we're going to get these markets moving a little bit higher. So we're taking a black line cross signal buy as soon as the action line starts to slope higher. That's essentially what we're doing here. We would not execute the signal on the bar that it occurred because the action line is sloping down. Consolidation, consolidation, consolidation is what we're looking at right now. So if this bar closes up, we will have a definable upward slope on our action line. Some traders would want to wait for more upward slope. Okay, we got one tick into the profit or two, and you saw our stop automatically move up. So we limit our overall risk. This is the tighter stop management. Now a negative, certainly a real negative to taking any trade in this environment is we're in a slower moving market right now. And this trade, we got into this trade above a prior pivot, so it was a, we're hoping that if we're able to jam up above that prior pivot, we'll have enough momentum to move higher, but that was not the case here. So more conservative trading would lead us to want to, at this point, take the foot way off the gas pedal and wait for this market to start moving again. And we did get that little burst of price action. Well, it was after the 10 o'clock report, but since then we've just kind of gone back to sleep again. And we're involved in, if this trade ends up being a loss, we're involved in another push and pull day. We win one, we lose one, we win one, we lose one. And part of that, quite honestly, is my poor trade management or trade execution today, because I missed about 3 or 4 nice winners. So it looks like we could be okay here. We got the NASDAQ breaking out. Hopefully that's a sign that crude oil is going to want to move higher here as well. Our stop keeps shrinking as we move more into the profit, so we don't have too much at risk here. Would have liked to have seen that burst a little higher here. That was a really nice pop in the NASDAQ above its consolidation zone. And it helped crude oil to get up a little bit, but not as much as we'd like to see. We'll see if we're going to be able to take this higher. +3. And winner. So, there's exhibited some serious patience. Some of you laugh because that was still only 2 minutes or 3 minutes, but for me, that's like an eternity. I like to get my, profit quick. But we stuck with the plan, and for me, the reason I was comfortable just kind of sticking with the plan and riding that out and not moving my stop around manually and all that kind of thing was because I had a programmed stop strategy in NinjaTrader that I believed in.